Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. Long time no see. I'm finally back into filming my videos again. So thanks for letting me take a break because I really needed it. Before we get started, make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Just check out my description because I put a lot of stuff down there, links, social media links, all that stuff. So go check that out if you want to. Subscribe if you haven't. And let's get into it. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. I haven't filmed in so long. Well, okay, so I have my notes on my phone. So today I'm gonna give y'all my best tips and tricks for volleyball that I picked up over the years. This is just really random stuff, so that's why I'm gonna title it tips and tricks, because it's just random stuff that no one really know. So yeah, my first tip, this goes for when you have a slippery floor. One thing I could not stand when I was playing volleyball was playing on a slippery floor because I felt like my entire game was gonna be off. I felt like I was gonna get hurt. I just did not like that. So my solution to that, I got a little travel size of hairspray. And you can get any kind of hairspray you want, it doesn't matter. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your shoe and you're gonna spray the bottom of your shoe. But don't spray it too heavily to where you're literally sticking to the ground, but a little light dusting of hairspray, and boom, the traction will be so much better and you'll start actually having a chance to stick to the ground rather than sliding all over the place. My next tip is to always bring backup gear. I'm a very forgetful person, so I have forgotten my shoes, spandex, sports bra, socks, literally anything that you would ever, jerseys, anything that you would ever need, I have forgotten. So you always want to bring backup. So one thing you do not have a backup of usually is your jerseys, so make sure you have those. Please, those are not replaceable, but anything else is pretty replaceable. But I would always bring backup knee pads, backup socks, backup ankle braces, all that. And I would bring it to the gym with me, and that was also for me if I forgot something or if I had to put something on and under my covered clothing, or if your teammate forgets something, you'll have it so they're not stressed out and so it doesn't stress the entire team out. My next little trick, tip, whatever, is kind of random, but I always make sure that I have white and black knee pads. That's really weird, but sometimes I don't want to wear black knee pads. It's not matching. I'm not feeling the vibe. Or sometimes the white knee pads look better with a certain uniform. I just like to have both. But if you don't have both, that's completely okay. It's not necessary. It's just something that I did. Pro tip. This is so huge. Pay attention. Are you paying attention? Keep your shoes outside of your bag. Please. Trust me, it will save you so much headache, because if you keep your court shoes in your bag constantly, they're going to smell, okay? And then your bag's going to smell. And that smell is really hard to get rid of. So try to keep your shoes outside of the main pouch of your bag. So if your bag comes with a little under section that you can unzip, or you have a room for a ball in the front of your bag, put your shoes there. Put your shoes underneath, in front, or just keep them outside, put them in a little, I don't know, not a garbage bag, a little grocery bag. Just keep them outside of your bag. Trust me, because they will stink up your bag, and that is the worst. Next pro tip is just about keeping your feet healthy. So keep your toes out as long as possible. Hello? Meaning, take your shoes off as soon as you can and let your feet breathe. Okay, because honestly, the amount of friction and force that is put on your feet when you're playing volleyball is ridiculous. So you want to preserve your feet as much as you can, because you only get one pair of feet. Literally. So make sure that you're always wearing slides or some kind of, I don't know, slipper. Just let your feet breathe. Next pro tip is to bring a sweatshirt. Or a hoodie, whatever you prefer, long sleeve t-shirt, whatever. Just bring something, because I guarantee you when you go play a club tournament, a high school tournament, whatever it is, and you're in a big convention center or you're in a big gym, it will be freezing. Every time. I have never, actually no, that's a lie. I was oh, I've never played in a hot gym. I had played in gyms with no AC in the middle of August in Tennessee. That was miserable. But usually 9 times out of 10 the gym will be pretty cold. And also when you're trying to get warmed up, you want to be warm. So I always warm up with a sweatshirt on, jacket, something that's going to make me sweat quicker, rather than just going through my warm-up and still feeling cold. I want to get warm as quick as possible, so make sure you bring a sweatshirt. And it also can double as a pillow. So yeah, club tournaments, I was always trying to sleep in between matches, while my team was reffing something, trying to get some more sleep. So, because usually you gotta be there so early, especially if you had the AM wave, RIP. So, oh my god, I thought I wasn't recording for a second. I was about to cry. Woo! So you can literally just take your sweatshirt, put it on top of your backpack, and you can knock out. And that brings me to my next point about sleeping at a volleyball tournament or a little tri-match, whatever you're doing. bring an eye mask and bring headphones. If you're sensitive to light and you can't sleep like with light penetrating your eyes, just get an eye mask. They're super cheap. You can get one at Walmart. And then also bring headphones, but that goes for anything. You can use that for warm-ups, which I do. Warm-ups, watching TikTok, scrolling on Instagram, like all that stuff, but I always bring headphones, and I bring my noise-canceling ones in specific because, once again, gyms, convention centers are loud, very loud. And then obviously like the whistles, people playing volleyball, it's just all the talking, yelling, it's, yeah, ugh. Next key trick, trick, is to bring a whistle. Bring your own whistle. So I always brought my own whistle, and that is because usually when you are at a club tournament, high school tournament, whatever it is, like sometimes you will have to ref other people's games. So if you are going to be the down ref or the R2, you're going to need a whistle because you have to, you know, blow your whistle when you're doing a sub, all that good stuff. But it's always good to bring your own because you don't want to use like a communal whistle. That's gross. So make sure you bring your own. Last little trick that I used to do when I was playing club specifically was I would, before, maybe like 5-10 minutes before we started warming up with my team, I would walk around the convention center, just walk around, look around, and get inspired. Meaning like I would find a really good court, and then I would just watch them play and be like, okay, like that's something I could do when I play, or that's something I wouldn't do when I play, or if they get in a certain situation, I'm thinking like, okay, I would do this and not this, and like just getting my mind right, you know, getting my head into the game. So that's something I really suggest doing. It really helps, like visualizing like your success like is key. But that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a like. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my socials, which is in the description. Check out my Amazon links because I have a bunch of stuff linked, like my volleyball essentials, lifestyle essentials, all that stuff. Also, if you want, you can check out my vlog channels, Jacoby Sends Vlogs, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!